This is the Gyrocopters Flash X, an electric scooter that promises speed, style, and convenience, all at a budget-friendly price. The Flash X comes with a 350-watt motor, giving you a top speed of 32 km per hour. You get a range of about 30 km on a full charge, thanks to its 36-volt, 10-amp battery. It also features 8.5-inch airless tires for a smoother ride, and front and rear LED lights for safety. Weighing in at just 12.5 kilograms, it's light enough to carry upstairs, and the folding design makes it easy to store or take on public transit. But it's not all perfect. Out of the box, the brakes are very sensitive. It's easy to skid the tire if you're not careful, which can cause the rear wheel to shake. The folding hinge also tends to rattle while riding, which can get annoying on longer trips. Still, for $399 Canadian dollars, the Flash X is a solid commuter scooter. It's a quick, lightweight, and has enough range for most daily rides. Still, when you're cruising, it delivers a stable and enjoyable ride. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's take this thing out for a ride.
Feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes.
Show
me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body.
Alright, here I'm going down a very steep hill. Think I'm good? Release the throttle. 34. Contest. Okay, gaining speed.
Telling me you feel fine.
Yes.
Never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, don't need to move.
Don't go that way ever. Listen. You have to like twist your pedal. Wait, go up. I'm gonna hit some jumps. Dirt bike. Two stroke. Hit this jump. This new suspension was very bumpy. Let's see if rips dirt. Burnout test. The blue lights on the side just make it look so nice. It's very safe for like nighttime riding and stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot, that's a bell. That's it for this video. Please drop a like and subscribe, and tell me what I should review next in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.